Gas-powered luxury cars are fading fast, but these 10 electric models are redefining prestige, power, and comfort. And number 3, it's already hitting 500 miles of range while outclassing German rivals. Number 10, 2025 Genesis Electrified G80. Kicking off our list is a masterpiece of design and value, the 2025 Genesis Electrified G80. Genesis has quickly built a reputation for shaking up the old guard of luxury, and this car is their flagship statement. It doesn't shout. It whispers. Confidence, with its elegant lines and premium materials. It's powered by a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system, making 365 horsepower, which gets it to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. It's built for smoothness, not savagery, even featuring a special chauffeur driving mode that softens the throttle response for an exceptionally comfortable passenger ride. Inside, the cabin is a triumph, featuring a gorgeous digital instrument cluster and a widescreen infotainment display that give the dash a clean, high-tech feel. With an EPA-estimated range of 282 miles from its 87.2 kilowatt-hours battery, it's a compelling alternative to its German rivals, offering a comparable level of refinement with a starting MSRP of $76,225. But coming up next is a car that swaps traditional luxury for a vision of Scandinavian minimalist design and forward-thinking tech.
Oh, she moves!
Number 9, 2025 Polestar 3. Coming in at number 9 is the 2025 Polestar 3, a vision of Scandinavian minimalist design and forward-thinking tech. Born from Volvo, Polestar carries a deep emphasis on safety and sustainability, but wraps it in a stunning performance-oriented package. The Polestar 3 truly looks and feels like it's from the future. Its design is clean and aerodynamic, but the technology is what really sets it apart. It's one of the first vehicles on the market to feature an advanced LiDAR system, which provides an extra layer of safety and prepares it for a more autonomous future. Inside, the focus is on sustainable luxury, with materials like responsibly sourced wools and vegan leathers. The cockpit is dominated by a large central screen running Android Automotive OS for seamless Google integration. The dual-motor configuration delivers up to 510 horsepower, maintaining a composed and comfortable ride. With an estimated range of up to 350 miles and a starting price of $74,800, the Polestar 3 is a sophisticated and intelligent choice for those who value both substance and style. But up next, we have the car that arguably kickstarted this whole revolution, a vehicle whose performance is so staggering, it continues to be the benchmark for all others. Number 8, 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid. At number 8, we have the car that arguably kickstarted this whole revolution, the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid. It might be one of the older platforms on this list, but its performance remains absolutely staggering. It's powered by a tri-motor all-wheel drive system that produces a mind-bending 1,020 horsepower from a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack. That powertrain delivers a 0 to 60 time that defies logic, clocking in at an official 1.99 seconds under ideal conditions. It's a velocity that pins you to your seat and completely recalibrates your understanding of what a four-door sedan can do. The interior is the definition of minimalism, centered around a huge 17-inch touchscreen that controls nearly every car function. This tech-first approach is Tesla's version of luxury, defined not by leather and wood, but by cutting-edge software, over-the-air updates, and the highly advanced autopilot system. With an EPA estimated range of 348 miles and a starting price of $94,990, the Model S Plaid remains an undisputed titan of tech and raw, unadulterated power. But raw power isn't everything. Our number 7 pick redefines what a flagship can be with one of the most breathtaking interiors on the market today. Number 7, 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS Sedan. Our number 7 spot goes to the car that redefines what a Mercedes-Benz flagship can be. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS Sedan. This isn't just an electric S-Class. It's a complete reimagining of the full-size luxury sedan. For 2025, Mercedes installed a larger 118 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which pushes the EPA estimated range of the rear-wheel drive EQS 450 Plus model up to a phenomenal 390 miles. They also tweaked the exterior with a more traditional grille and a classic standing hood ornament, blending its futuristic shape with that iconic Mercedes DNA. Step inside, and you're greeted by the breathtaking MBUX Hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass surface housing 3 displays. The ride is whisper quiet and supremely comfortable, thanks to standard air suspension. The lineup offers multiple power options, including the dual-motor EQS 580 4MATIC, which delivers 536 horsepower for effortless, silent acceleration. Starting at an MSRP of $105,550, the EQS Sedan is a rolling statement of tech supremacy and serene comfort. While the EQS is a master of comfort, our next car blends Grand Tourer elegance with pure supercar aggression and a truly massive power upgrade. Number 6. 2025 Audi e-tron GT RS. Blasting into our number 6 spot is the impossibly beautiful 2025 Audi e-tron GT RS. If you want a car that blends supercar aggression with Grand Tourer elegance, this is it. For 2025, the e-tron GT received a massive power upgrade. Its top-tier RS performance model now comes with a dual-motor system and a 105 kilowatt-hour battery, unleashing a staggering 912 horsepower. This launches it from 0 to 60 in a blistering 2.1 seconds. This car shares its DNA with the Porsche Taycan, and it delivers a similarly thrilling drive, but with the distinct Audi flavor of high-tech luxury. The cabin is a driver-focused cockpit, crafted with impeccable materials and Audi's signature virtual cockpit. The 2025 update also brings ultra-fast charging that can take you from 10 to 80% in about 18 minutes with a powerful enough DC charger. The exterior design is arguably one of the most striking on the road today, low, wide, and muscular. It's a car that looks fast even when it's standing still. With the high-performance RS e-tron GT models starting at an MSRP of $168,295. It's a breathtaking fusion of design and devastating performance. But if devastating performance isn't your top priority, our number 5 pick focuses on a different kind of experience, providing the ultimate in rear-seat comfort and technological extravagance. Number 5. 2025 BMW i7. Entering our top 5 is the uncompromisingly bold and luxurious 2025 BMW i7. This is BMW's all-electric flagship, and it makes no apologies for its mission: to provide the ultimate in rear-seat comfort. The exterior design is polarizing, sure, but it definitely commands attention. The real magic, though, happens inside. Power comes from a 101.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack with models ranging from the 449 horsepower eDrive 50 to the top-tier M70 with its dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering 650 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 3.5 seconds. The cabin is a tech paradise with a stunning curved display up front and exquisite glass controls. But the real party is in the back. The optional executive lounge package includes reclining massage seats and, most impressively, a massive 31-inch 8K theater screen that folds down from the ceiling, complete with Amazon Fire TV. It transforms the rear cabin into a private cinema on wheels. With a starting MSRP of $106,875, The BMW i7 is for those who believe luxury is just as much about the journey as the destination. While the i7 is a palace on wheels, our next car proves that an EV can have a soul, delivering a level of driver engagement that sets the benchmark for the entire industry. Number 4. 2025 Porsche Taycan Turbo S. At number 4, we have the car that proved EVs could have a soul. The 2025 Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Since its debut, the Taycan has been the benchmark for driver engagement, and for 2025, it's even better. The Taycan Turbo S uses a dual-motor powertrain and its 105 kilowatt-hour performance battery plus to produce an astonishing 938 horsepower with overboost. That power rockets it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds, officially making it the quickest production car Porsche has ever built. And this isn't just about straight-line speed. The Taycan corners with a precision that feels quintessentially Porsche. The 2025 models also get a larger battery and significantly faster charging speeds. The interior is a perfect blend of Porsche's sporting heritage and futuristic tech. The driver-focused cockpit features multiple screens, but the seating position and controls feel instantly familiar. As you'd expect, the quality and craftsmanship are second to none. With a starting MSRP of $209,000 for the Turbo S, the Taycan isn't just a great electric car. It's a great Porsche that just happens to be electric. But as incredible as the Taycan is, our number 3 pick is a Silicon Valley masterpiece that fundamentally challenges the EV establishment with its industry-shattering range. We're about to break into our top 3, where the definition of luxury and performance gets pushed to its absolute limit. Before we do, which of these cars has impressed you the most so far? Let us know down in the comments, and if you're enjoying this look into the future of automotive excellence, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Number 3. 2025 Lucid Air. Claiming the bronze medal is the 2025 Lucid Air, a Silicon Valley masterpiece that has fundamentally challenged the EV establishment. Its biggest claim to fame is its industry-shattering range. The Grand Touring model, with its 114 kilowatt-hours battery, offers an EPA-estimated range of up to 512 miles, a figure that remains a benchmark. These cars consistently outperform competitors in real-world testing, making range anxiety a distant memory. But the Air is so much more than its range. Powertrains range from the 430 horsepower single-motor Pure model up to the tri-motor 1,234 horsepower Sapphire, which hits 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. The interior is a revelation in packaging, offering S-Class levels of space in a smaller footprint. The design is minimalist yet opulent, with beautiful materials and a massive 34-inch glass cockpit display that curves gracefully in front of the driver. It's a stunning blend of efficiency, power, and space. With prices starting at $69,900 for the Pure trim and climbing to $249,000 for the Sapphire, the Lucid Air represents a new wave of American luxury that is defined by relentless innovation. But from relentless innovation, we now turn to relentless tradition. Our number 2 spot goes to a vehicle that represents the pinnacle of old-world luxury meeting the electric future. Number 2. Bentley's first EV SUV. Anticipated 2026. Sliding into our number 2 spot is a vehicle that represents the pinnacle of traditional luxury meeting the electric future. Bentley's first all-electric SUV. Bentley has confirmed its first EV will be revealed in 2026 and is poised to be a game changer. We're placing it this high based on the brand's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship and the expectation that it will translate its century of luxury heritage into the electric era without a single compromise. Expect nothing less than a handcrafted interior sanctuary, where every surface is swathed in the finest leather, wood, and metal, all customizable to the owner's exact wishes. The driving experience will be defined by what Bentley has always called waftability, that effortless, silent torque, now delivered instantly. Performance will be formidable, likely leveraging a powerful dual-motor system shared with its corporate cousins at Porsche and Audi, but tuned for supreme refinement over raw aggression. This vehicle will be for the ultra-luxury buyer who demands a commanding SUV presence, bespoke opulence, and a storied badge, all with a zero-emissions powertrain. It won't just be an electric car. It will be a Bentley, first and foremost. But even the storied name of Bentley has to bow to our number one pick. A car that isn't just a car, but a rolling piece of art that has set an entirely new standard for luxury itself. Number 1. 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre. And now, at the top of our list, the undisputed king of electric luxury. This is a vehicle that feels less like a car and more like a rolling piece of art. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre. Rolls-Royce declared that its first electric vehicle would have to be a Rolls-Royce before it was an EV, and they have succeeded. The Spectre delivers the brand's signature magic carpet ride, but the silence of the electric powertrain makes it even more serene, more ethereal. It is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system and a 102 kilowatt-hour battery, producing 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. This allows the Spectre to glide from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds, providing that familiar, effortless pull of a V12 engine. But the numbers are almost irrelevant here. It's the experience that matters. The iconic coach doors open to reveal an interior of breathtaking craftsmanship. The famous Starlight headliner can now be extended to the doors, with thousands of hand-placed fiber optic lights creating a celestial, immersive ambience. The Spectre is a statement of ultimate exclusivity. With a starting price of $397,750, the Rolls-Royce Spectre isn't just the best electric luxury car. It is, quite simply, the new standard for luxury itself. If you thought these luxury EVs were game changers, wait until you see the flip side. Some SUVs look premium, but end up draining your wallet faster than gas itself. Don't miss our breakdown in 10 worst luxury SUVs that depreciate the fastest. Watch it next.